Um, if the difference of mode and the median of a data is 24,
Difference
then,
of mode and median is 24.
then find the difference of median and mean.
Find the difference of median and mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So, uh, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. They said difference between mode and median is 24. What is the difference between median and mean? That's all. A question.
Yes, sir. The answer is 12.
So what we'll do? Bring this here, take this here, Nana. So mode minus 24 is equal to median. Okay. Multiply both sides with 3. Multiply both sides with 3 so that we can remove this 3. So here 3 multiplication, here 3 multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this 3 million is there, no? There you put this value. So mode is equal to 3 into mode minus 24 minus 2e. You are able to understand what I'm doing? Okay. So mode is equal to 3 mode minus 3 4s are 12, 72 minus 2e. 72 bring here, mode you bring here. 72 is equal to 3 mode minus mode is minus 2e. So 72 is equal to 2 mode minus 2e. So 72 is equal to 2 you take common. Mode minus mean. Okay, 2 comes here. So 36 is equal to mode minus mean. Did I do correct on it? They want median minus mean, no?
Yes, sir.
I removed median. They want median minus mode, mean. If we want median minus mean, we should remove mode, no, Nana?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, but I found out mode minus mean. They want median minus mean. See what happens actually. This is different. I heard it wrong. So median minus mean, if you want, from this you should remove mode. So mode I can write as 24 plus median. Can I write mode is equal to 24 plus median here?
Yes, sir.
So I'm doing here 24 plus median is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Am I correct? Bring median
Yes,
here.
sir.
24 is equal to 2 median minus 2 mean. Okay. Take 2 common and send there. So 12 is equal to median minus mean. Okay. Na? I forgot.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's all. Median, we have to remove mode. We have to remove mode means so what we have to do so in this formula 24 plus median is substituted. That's all.
Okay, sir.
This is first question. Second question.
If mode of a series exceeds its mean by 12,
Mode exceeds its mean by 12.
then mode exceeds the median by. We need to find out, sir.
Mode exceeds the median by how much? So we have to find out mode minus median is how much. That's it. So mode minus median is how much? So children, we have mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. We have mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So we want mode minus median means we should remove mean. What is mean? We can write mode minus 12. What is mean? We can write mode minus 12. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 into mode minus 12. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mode plus 24. Okay, so this goes here. 3 mode is equal to 3 median is plus 24. This goes here. 3 mode minus 3 median is equal to 24. Take common and you will you get 24 by 3 is 8. Mode and mean. So this if you bring here, mode exceeds the median by 8. Mode exceeds the median by 8. Okay, next question.
For mean of 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4 is M.
Mean of
1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4, like different numbers, sir.
Mean of 1, 3, 5.
1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4.
Okay, mean of all these numbers is how much?
M.
Mean of all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers is M.
The numbers 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, and 3.
One second. 3, 2, 2, 4, 3.
Again 3.
And
P
P.
have mean M minus 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. M minus 1.
And median as Q.
Huh?
Median Q.
Median is Q.
Find P plus Q.
So, mean of 6 numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13, 20, 24. 24 by 6. Okay, is 4. Is M. This is M.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and mean of 7 terms. Mean of 7 terms. Mean of 7 terms. What are they? 5, 7, 11, 14, 17. 17 plus P by 7. This is, he's saying M minus 1. Huh? This is?
3, sir. Yes, sir. M minus 1.
So 17 plus P by 7 is, M is 4. 4 minus 1. Okay, 17 plus P is by 7 is equal to 3. So 17 plus P is equal to 21. P is equal to 4. So I got P is equal to 4.
Okay, sir.
Now for this P is equal to 4 I got means 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4. And as them in increasing order. Okay, so 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 7 are there means 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 4 is 2. Middle two numbers are medians. What are the middle two numbers? 3 plus 3. How
Sir, no,
much?
sir. Only 3 is the median, sir.
Why? No.
2 and 4 will be cancelled. 1, 3 and 1, 3. Only 1, 3 is left.
1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there, no, Nana? 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 4 is 2. 8 by 2 is 4. Fourth one is 3.
Median.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, fourth one is median. Fourth one is median. So 3 is median. So Q is 3. So P plus Q is equal to 4 plus 3. That is 7.
Okay, sir.
Next.
The mean of a first n odd natural numbers is n square by 81.
Mean of first n natural numbers is n square
Odd
minus
natural numbers, sir.
n odd natural numbers is
n square divided by 81.
n square divided by 81.
We have to find n.
Can you read the question again?
The mean of first n odd natural numbers is n square by 81.
This is mean. Okay. So sum of all odd natural numbers is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n natural numbers are this. First n natural numbers, n odd natural numbers. So first one is 2, 1, and n minus 1. Common difference between any two natural numbers is 2. So sum of all of them is n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. This gone, n by 2 into 2n, 2 gone, n square. Sum of n natural numbers. So mean is sum of all natural numbers by n, that is n only. That is n. Okay. Okay. Can you repeat the question once again?
1 minute, sir. The mean of first n odd natural numbers is n square by 81. Then n is equal to how much?
Then what is equal to how much?
N. We have to find the value of n, sir.
N. Okay. So that n square by 81 is equal to n we got. This cancel. N by 81 is equal to 1. N is equal to 81.
Okay.
Yeah. Next question.
We have to data is given, sir. We need to find the mean. Now, assume mean method. X is equal to 10, 15, T, 25, 35. F is equal to 3, 10, 25, 7, 35.
Huh?
7, 5, sir.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. And mean they have given as 20.6.
You have to find out the value of P.
P.
Okay. So Fi Xi will do.
Sir, can you tell me this method and assume mean method?
Assumed mean method. Huh? If you want to find out assumed mean method, then you have to need class intervals. Class intervals are not given. No, no, no. They have not given class intervals to get the assumed mean method. Any median value of Xi.
Okay, sir.
Class intervals are not given. Means getting assumed mean method is difficult. Did they mention assumed mean method compulsory?
No, sir. No.
Then no. Class intervals are needed. Class intervals are not given.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Unnecessary way to increase the procedure, right? So sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. This is 20.6 is equal to sigma Fi. This is 350. This is 500. 530. 530 plus 25p sigma Fi. So this is 30, 37, 47, 50. So this goes here. 20.6 into 50 is equal to 530 plus 25p. So 5 6 are 30, 3 5 to the 10 is equal to 530 plus 25p. This goes here. So 1030 minus 530 is equal to 25p. 500 is equal to 25p. So p is equal to 20. Next question.
Last question in
Statistics. Trigonometry will do tomorrow. Now tell statistics.
okay, sir. 1 second. Yeah, the marks are given as 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, up
Once
to
again, don't say comma. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30.
up to 100, sir. 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And they gave the mid frequency as 5, 4, 8, 12, 16, 15, 10, 8, 5, 2. We need to find the mean, sir.
We need to find out mean.
Yes, sir.
Xi we find out 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay. DA. Shall we simplify this? DA is equal to Xi minus A. What is DA? Xi minus A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one you take. 5 minus 45?
Minus 40.
Minus 40?
Minus 30. Minus
40, minus 30, minus 20.
Minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Now, UA is DA by H.
Yes, sir.
Minus 40 by 10?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
FIUI. 5 into minus 4?
Minus 20, minus 12.
Okay, minus 12.
12, minus 16, minus 12, 0, 15, 20, 24, 20, 10.
Okay, so minus 20 plus 20 cancel. Anything else cancels? Okay, no problem. So minus 12, minus 24, minus 40 this is. Minus 40 plus 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 50, 45, 45 plus 24, 69. 69 minus 40,
29.
29. Okay, so what is the formula? Assume mean method.
A
Step
plus
deviation. A plus sigma
FIUI by sigma FI
H.
into H.
Assume mean 45. FIUI how much we got? 29.
29.
FI how much you got? Class size is 10. FI how much? 9, 17, 29, 29, 39, 45, 60, 70, 78, 83, 85.
85.
85. So 45 plus 290 by 85. 49 plus 290 by 85 is 5, 4, 5, 5 is 25, 5 is 40, 17. 17, how much Nana? 58 by 17 is how much?
4.
73 point, 73 is 51, no?
Yes, sir.
51 is 7, 7 is 7, 4, 3.4. So approximately 52.4.
But the answer is 48.41.
This one, this one,
Yes, sir.
did we do anywhere mistake check once? This is the easy procedure because big numbers are there. Now, FI, XI, if you do directly, it will come big. That's why I did not go with big methods. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I do any mistake? 30, 50.
Sir, how minus 4, sir? Like,
Yeah, here, wrong. I did see here. Sure. 20, 20 cancel, no? 30, 45, 45, 55, 65, 69. What, Nana? What is wrong? Hmm? What is
like, sir, like DI, UI is there, no, sir? DI by H.
by 10 DI by H, which 10? Everywhere 10 only we should take. Everywhere 10 only. Minus 40 by 10 is minus 4. Minus 30 by 10 is minus 3. Minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Acha, you don't have step deviation method, no? It's out of syllabus, no, for you?
Yes, sir.
This is step deviation method, easy, Nana. That's all. Here minus 40 means here you get minus 4. This is 20, minus 12, minus 16, minus 12, 0, 15, 20, 20, 20 cancel. This is 28 and 40. Minus 40 plus 16 is 29. 29 by 290 by 85. 290 by 85 is 3.4. No, I did wrong here, man. Sorry, see. 45 I wrote 49 here. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I did mistake. Yeah, 48.4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. No, I'm taking continue.